Ito nga sinasabi nila, the grandest of celebrations. This is one of the highlights. Ito yung pinaka-aabang din nila kapag nagsapit ng ating Ilocos Sur Festival. Marami naghahanda at marami nag-aabang sa mga municipalities and cities who are gonna be joining for our street dance and showdown competition. Akalain mo nga naman na ipapakita at na ipapamalas ng Pardas Kawayan! Performances, ladies and gentlemen, nakakakilig panoorin kasi nga, we are embracing the rich culture that we have. Alam nyo, lalo kapag napapanood ninyo ang inyong municipality or city, parang you're very proud of